Lesson 4: Promoting and Preservation of Historical and Sites. Historical landmarks as defined by RA number 166 refers to site or structure that are associated with the event or achievement significance to the Philippine history as declared by National Institution, Section 3 of Article 11. Some landmarks of the Philippines are included in the following. They have 10 following included. Bataan National Park, which is found in Abukay, Bagak, Balangan, Hermosa, Morong, Organi, and Samal. Biak na Bato National Park, found in Bulacan at its town of Dona Remedios, Trinidad, San Ildefonso, and San Miguel. Enchanted Kingdom of Santa Rosa, Laguna. Manila Ocean, located at Ermita, Manila. Mayong Volcano National Park at Albay, especially located in Legazpi, Ligao, and Tabaco. At the first, it was National Park in 1938 and later classified as National Park in 2000. Paco Park, located at Paco, Manila. It was secretly interred at the park after his execution at Bagong Bayang Field on December 30, 1896, and was guaranteed for 15 days. In August 17, 1898, and on December 30, 1912, was laid to the monument dedicated to him at Luneta as started in a park marker. Quezon Memorial Circle, located at Quezon City. Rizal Park, situated at Rojas. Star City, located at CCP Complex, Pasay City. Salinas Natural Monument, located at Aritao, Bambang. Historical sites are classified into historical and archaeological sites, and classified into the church, cultural and historical landmark, and natural landmarks. So here are the historical sites. Historical site, landmark site, church, Antipolo Cathedral, Antipolo City. Balaran Church, Balaran, Parañaque. Baguio Cathedral, Baguio City. Rasuin Church, Malolos, Bulacan. Baliska of Our Lady of Piat, Piat, Cagayan. Binondo Church, Binondo, Manila. Las Piñas Church, Las Piñas City. Malolos Cathedral, Malolos, Bulacan. Minor Baliska of Our Lady of Mount Holy. Rosary of Manoog, Manoog, Pangasinan. Pinanchka Screen, Naga City, Bicol Region. Quiapo Church, Quiapo, Manila. Sampaloc Church, Sampaloc, Manila. Santa Cruz Church, Manila. Santo Domingo Church, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. Cultural and historical landmark sites. Agsawa Rain, Daraga, Albay. Boinao Lighthouse, Bolinao, Pangasinan. Sino Espanol de Manila, Ermita, Manila. Corridor Island, Cavite City, Front Santiago, Manila. Magellan's Train, Lapu-Lapu City, Manila Hotel, Ermita, Manila. Manila Metropolitan Theater, Manila. Tubutan Railway, Manila. Natural landmark sites. Banake Rice Terraces, Banake. Boracay Island, Malay Aklan. Colet Hills, Bohol. Ocean Park, Luneta. Hinulugang Taktak, Antipolo City. 100 Island National Park, Alaminos City. Urban Architectural Landmark Sites. Araneta Coliseum, Cubao, Quezon City. Ayala Center, Makati. Bonifacio Global City, Taguig City. Cultural Center of the Philippines, Pasay City. Mall of Asia, Pasay City. Via Cristina Falls, Biligan City. Tabungkay Island, Lian, Batangas. Puerto Princesa, Tirian River National Park, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Rice Terraces, Ifugao, Taal Volcano, Batangas. Subhata Reef, Puerto Princesa. National Library of the Philippines, Ermita, Manila. National Museum of the Philippines, Metro Manila. Archaeological site in the Philippines. Site is a place or group of physical sites in which is evidence or past activity is preserved, either prehistorical or historical or contemporary, and which has been or may be investigated using the discipline of archaeology and represent a part of archaeological record. Site may range for those with a few or no remain visible above ground to building and other structure still in use. There are 6 types of archaeological site. 1. Angolo Metrolopes. 2. Buenavista Protective Landscape. 3. Idyang. 4. Kalanay Cave. 2. At Gataransiel Lapus-Lapus Cave. Angolo Metrolopes cave into a rock wall of Angolo Rizal, discovered in 1965, believed to the oldest known artwork in the Philippines. It is important, culturally significant, because of the series of historic, scientific, and social value. Who found out, or a person found out, artist is Carlos Botong Francisco. Discover a rock art while on a Boy Scout camping trip. Buena Vista Protective Landscape is a conservation area, an archaeological site located on Bondok Peninsula in southeast Luzon province of Quezon City of the Philippines. Jag is a triangular-shaped hilltop citadel or castle on the Batanes Island in the Philippines, made from limestone and wood. Most impressive among an hilltop and hierarchy, an ancient Ivatan, and most perfect shape among Batanes Place. Injang are stone forests found in Batanes Injang, considered most impressive place. Kalanay Cave is a small cave located on island of Masbate, Central Philippines. The cave located especially in southwest coast of island within municipality of Aroroy. Site is one of the Sahuni Kalanay Poetry Complex, which is originated from Vietnam. The types of poetry found in the site were dated 400 BC to 1500 AD. One of the most tourist spots in Masbate in central Philippines. Dalu and Gataran Shell are located among bank of Cagayan River in the province of Cagayan. Southwest Asia of 20th century. Puspus Cave is among the many cave sites found in Bulabog, Putian National Park in Moroboro, Digil, Iloilo in the Philippines. Limestone area, while a north site is adjacent to the Ambonac River, the most famous river. Baroque Church of the Philippines. These are 4 of the first which is built by the Spanish in the late 16th century. Collection of 4 Spanish colonial era on the Philippines which include World Heritage List in 1933 National Cultural Treasure of the country. The historic town of Vigan, established in the 16th century, Vigan is the best preserved example of planned Spanish colonial town of Asia. Sinong nakakakilala kay Jet Li Motorbike Girl na taga Cebu? Naka-visit na siya sa Vigan City. Super ganda ng place na yon. Rice terraces of the Philippine Cordilleras. Physical, social, cultural, economics, religious, and political environment as living cultural landscape were created more than 2,000 years by the Ifugao people. This mountain for thousands of years. Mount Hamigutan Range Wildlife Sanctuary has an elevation range of 75 to 1,637 meters above the sea level and provide critical habitat for a range of plant and animal species. Thread and endemic flora and fauna species. To Princesa Subterranean River National Park, located in the west coast of Palawan, the highlight of a visit of ride its 8 kilometers long undergo river. Standing diversity with ang Palawan moist forest recognized by the WWF Global Report. Buhata Reef National Marine Park is located in middle of central Sulu Sea of approximately 90 nautical miles southeast of Puerto Princesa City in Palawan. Marine species whale, shark, manta ray and shark, turtle, and many more. For RPH member Gino Molinar, Desiree Plaza, Idlin Royna, Rochelle Pudi, Jamaica Rodela, Ranjan Popera, Janly Pacaanas. In topic or lesson of our group are: bawat panahon ay may historya, lalo na sa ating buhay, sa ating komunidad at sa iba pang bagay. Kailangan natin ito upang tayo ay matuto kung paano natin ito alagaan sa sarili nating paraan o pahalagahan ang bawat bagay o oras. Panatiling maganda ang lugar upang maiwasan ang kalamidad, lalo na sa ating komunidad or social society.